Come let me tell you about the Bible.
Come let me tell you about the Bible.
Make we start at the beginning.
Well, make we talk about Genesis.
Genesis, look at what God did. Hallelujah, sing it.
In the start, before time and space, God speak word and set everything in place. Light shine bright where darkness stay. Night and day form just like that. Okay,
Just like that. Sun, moon, stars in the sky so wide. Land and sea separate side by side. Every seed and every tree, God planned it perfectly.
everything God make him call it good. Power and order, just like it should.
From his word creation stand, nothing hard for God.
Come let me tell you about the Bible.
About the Bible, make we start at the beginning.
Make we talk about Genesis.
Look at what God did, sing it to end.
Come let me tell you about the Bible.
About the Bible, make we start at the beginning. Make we talk about Genesis. Look at what God did.
Sing it again. God formed man from the dust of the ground, breathing life, hear the living sound. Woman formed from his perfect plan. God loved people, that was the plan.
God and full of beauty and grace. God walk with men face to face. From the start, I'm sure with this, we created for love like this.
Who created the heaven and earth?
God.
Who speak life from nothing first?
God.
From Genesis straight through time.
God designed divine.
In the beginning,
God said,
and it was so.
and I'm gonna tell you about the Bible. From the start it's shining bright. Genesis show the power of might. God word bring forth life. Come let me tell you about the Bible. Every page true and right. From the beginning to the end of time. God loves strong, yes, every time. Look at what God did. From the beginning